Hello students, this is exercise number 1 of the Progressive Monthly Magazine April 2022 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Sir, no government, no party has any magic solutions to those problems, and these problems are going to be with us. The problems of reviving economic growth, the problem of massive unemployment, the problem of resource mobilization, the problem of savings, investment, etc., the problem of energy, the problem of shortage of power, electrical, hydro, and other forms of power, not the political power, for there is no shortage of political power. But there is shortage of this power where every scheme of areas, every project of areas, almost every unit of enterprise is roadblocked because of the shortage of power and energy. The problem is of finding a happy combination between hardcore economic policies for economic revival with distributed justice, with constraints on the growth of the kind of economic activity which would deprive merit. How to find this balance and how to revive the economy? There are massive problems for which we need a massive national effort, and I am pleading for a new national consensus. The path of the public sector enjoying the commanding heights while we retain freedom of enterprise in certain important sectors. Sir, the President has also in his speech mentioned the international situation, although in somewhat subdued terms because of the gravity of the situation. There is no doubt that the international situation is grim. The psychology of the Cold War is again gripping the big powers. Sir, we have had an occasion to discuss certain developments on our borders, Afghanistan and Pakistan, and I have spoken on them at length, and I do propose to repeat those things, but I would like to submit three major factors in the international situation at present, positive and negative. Only when we understand these can we evolve suitable responses also. One is the problem of adjustments to the realities of the new situation. The new situation is that at one time we saw one power or one set of powers predominant, dominating the seas, dominating the pathways, and now another power, another set of powers have arisen with an equal measure of power. To find adjustment and harmony is one of the major problems. We had the philosophy or the theory of the preponderance of a power. We had the theory of sufficiency of superiority, and we had the theory of sufficiency of power here.